Hello student, good morning. So let's start today's lecture. Today's topic is inserting CSS in HTML page. In previous lecture, we saw CSS introduction of a style sheet, the advantages of some CSS. There are some advantages we saw. First one is savage time, page load faster, also easy maintenance, offline browsing, platform independent. So those are advantages we already saw. And today's lecture we will see inserting CSS in HTML page. So how we insert CSS file in HTML file. So first there are three ways of inserting a style sheet in the web page. So first one is a inline, second one is a internal, and third one is a external. So let's see first one, internal style sheet. So an internal or inline style is a generally used to apply a unique style for individual element. The inline style is specific for the individual tag. The HTML style attribute is used by inline style to style a particular tag. So this is not a suggestive, or we can say this is not to use. You can apply also other types. So each CSS change has to be made in each tag which has the inline style applied to it. Okay. So the inline style generally useful for individual CSS change which we do not want to use repeatedly in the style. Correct. Because we want to change all the sheets dynamically. So we doesn't use one color for the every element, or each and every element in the same color, or we constantly change our background also, text styling or images or anything. So for that we didn't use the same code for each and every tag or content. So there are another way also, internal style sheet. So internal style sheet, the CSS code is usually written in a head section of web page. This simplifies the application of style like classes or IDs in a contrast to repeat use of code. While creating an internal style sheet is a web page, we have to use a style sheet because you already know JavaScript. So we use a style sheet to style open tag and also close tag. Between that we include the internal code. Okay, so HTML tag is the head section of the web page. The entire code of internal CSS tags is included between the head section. So as I told you, if you want to attach that file externally, you can attach so head section also, but if you want to internally write that code, so you have to write, it's a compulsory to write in a head section. Okay, so let's see external part also. We will see all examples but after explanation. Okay, so external style sheet is a file with extension .css which we link to the website. As I told, for external we use the link rel equal to style sheet type equal to text, and href is for the linking process, and href is equal to my style sheet, or we can whatever your file name dot css extension. Okay, so whenever any changes is made in this css file, it get reflect in all the web page of the website. This simplifies our work and avoid the making changes in each and every page where the css is used. Sorry. So nowadays most of the website use an external style sheet because when you create an external file for css and it attached to your html website, so that time you just have to change that css file. It doesn't need to go to that html page and repeatedly change all the content of css. This is simplify. It is simple to just go to css file and what content you want to change, or text color or body color, whatever, just go to css file and change that content or that css tag, then it reflect to your website. Okay, so external style sheet affects all the documents which are attached to this. Mean that if we have a 50 pages in that website, if you have 100 pages in your website where all the pages use the same style sheet, just change in one page or one style sheet which make usual changes in all the web page which are linked to your site or linked to it. Okay, just let's see example. Yesterday we saw previous lecture we saw this example, correct? So let's change same changes some here. I will change for style because we previously saw inline example. Let's today we saw see internal style sheet. So for internal style sheet we use a style open bracket and close bracket, which we already mentioned here. So just change something. We mention here style type, which are attribute of style. Type equal to, in double quotation, text slash css. Okay, now in this between style open tag and close tag we will mention our css code. So for body, we in our body we already pass some statement like hello world and hello two statement. Previously we give the light sky color for that hello word, and hello is a print on a black color. So let's change that two things first. Change that body color. So body and curly bracket open and close. So this is a body. This is tag for the this changes for the body part. So just change body background color, okay, or background color. So use background code. Background color. So let's change the background color. Lining is my color. I use lining and I already chose my body part. So let's check what we get from this, what we got this from. Okay, go to our site, okay, where we store our file. One second. Our file name is css.exe. Just open that file. It's right here. Yes. You can see my body part, my background color is actually changed. That web page background color is changed. So, okay, my body part is done. My background color part is done actually. And now we use some this h1 tag. We use this h1 tag and we color this hello world. Let's change this color because this is a black actually. So let's change this hello world color. Okay. So for that we use h1 and then open curly bracket, also close curly bracket. In h1 color, this is my attribute, color blue and semicolon, because I want another attribute also here. I use margin. Okay, so you will see what happened using margin left attribute. Left means value, it's use pixel. Pixel we give color. So let's save this file first. Mistake. Save this file and then again see. As you can see, I give a margin also, and this color also change. This hello world color is changed. Now for this h2 we use this paragraph. Okay, if we say this paragraph tag here and we delete this h2 part. Okay, I save this hello world in a paragraph tag. So let's use paragraph for changing something. So let's change again color, this hello word color. This word is a hello and I will change hello. Okay, let's change this part also. Hello word, welcome. Okay, let's save this first and check color. Sorry. Okay, let's use red and give semicolon. And also I will use font here. Font size. You can use font family also, but I use it font size. And my font size is 18 pixel. Okay, save this first and run again. Refresh first. Yes, you can see that it's hello world and after this welcome word. But I didn't mention the margin, so it doesn't look much. Okay, we'll use same code here. It's same. Yes, you can see that this hello word and after that which I paragraph use, so it's look good and welcome. But if you want to change the color also, so you can also change that color. Okay, it's simple. Okay, if you want change the font style also, you can change that style so it's look good. Okay, you just change font style. Okay, font family, or you can use font. There are different types of attribute present there, so which you want to change you can use it. So we use this font style or font. We there are different types of font family, font size, font address, stretch, style, variant. So there are multiple generic family are present also there too. So you use the font family. So if you want to use font family, let's use font family, okay? And do in double quotation, give some font family type times new Roman. It's a common font family, so I use common thing. Sorry, Roman. Okay. So there are two another things. Time, times and this one is the shade. The semicolon. So let's save this and let's see what we got from this. The color is changed because I already mentioned that color. Right? If I use Arrival or Lucida, you can use different things, but I use this one. And if you want another things like Arial, there are some other fonts also. Arial, Verdana, or Times. So you can use those also. Okay. So just change this. Let's do some other things. Okay, I'll delete my color, so that's why there is no color. I will use gray or green. Green is not look childish, so usually we use blue color. Save this file. You can see that this thing is changed. If I give this font family to this h1 tag also, save file. Okay, let's change this first font family because it looks same. It doesn't get that thing. Okay, we will change that fonts family and I will use here another family. This is Lucida. So use this Lucida console. Okay, and this type also change here new. This is also changed. It's a monospace. Sorry. save and let's see what we got from this. Yes, you can see this family type is changed. So like that, you can change the family type, family color, oh sorry, font color, font size. Okay, so this is the example of inline internal style sheet. So next lecture we will see external style sheet. Okay, let's stop today's lecture. Thank you.